So what I need you to do is shut the vehicle off, step out of the vehicle for me.
I'm not getting out.
Yes, you are, sir.
No. I'll pull it up here and park
No,
it,
you
but I'm
cannot
not
drive
getting
this
out.
vehicle. It has no insurance on it. This vehicle cannot move on a roadway.
I'll call and get insurance on it right now.
It doesn't work that way, sir.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't. Besides that, you're suspended and you cannot be driving. How am I harassing you, sir?
Because it is my right to travel.
No, it is not your
without a
right
license.
to travel.
I don't do. I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not going to argue with you either. So
it's my
what
right.
you need to do is step out of the vehicle.
No.
Sir, step out of the vehicle now.
No.
Sir, I need you to step out of the vehicle now.
What?
Because if you do not do so, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Place me under.
Before we even get into the stop itself, let's set the stage. Because what you're about to watch is one of those classic sovereign citizen traffic encounters that starts off routine and then spirals into pure legal fantasy versus real-world enforcement. We're following attorney Mike Grevin as he breaks down a clip labeled Sovereign Citizen Traffic Fail number 23. And right away, you already know the energy this is going to bring. We've got a driver who appears completely detached from the officer's instructions, a citation being issued, and a philosophy known as the right to travel being used as a shield against basic traffic law, insurance, registration, and lawful operation of a vehicle. Now here's what makes these cases so fascinating and honestly so frustrating for law enforcement. The subject genuinely believes that repeating phrases like, "I do not consent, I'm not driving," or "This is my property," somehow override statutory requirements. And as this interaction unfolds, we're going to see that belief collide head-on with reality.
It's going to be taken.
This is my property, and you can't take my property.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
I wasn't doing anything wrong.
Okay, I told you.
You have no right to pull me over.
Yes, I do.
I wasn't committing any crimes.
I didn't say you were committing a crime. I said you were committing a violation.
Then why are you doing this?
Because you committed multiple violations. One, you failed to signal your lane. Failed to signal 100 feet prior to your turn, and two, you're driving while you're suspended.
No, you're harassing.
And you have no insurance on this vehicle.
You're harassing.
No, sir, I don't. I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Grab your things, sir, because as soon as the tow comes here, they're going to be taking the vehicle.
They can't take my truck.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't.
Being told this clip comes from a channel called Richard Brandt, and there's already some uncertainty about who exactly is behind the wheel. That ambiguity is actually important, because in sovereign citizen content, identity, jurisdiction, and legitimacy are constantly blurred on purpose, or at least it feels that way. What we're seeing here is a right to travel argument, which is one of the most common sovereign citizen talking points. The idea is that operating a vehicle on public roads is not a privilege regulated by licensing and insurance, but an absolute right immune from government oversight. The problem? Courts have repeatedly rejected this interpretation for decades. So, as we watch this unfold, keep one thing in mind. This isn't just a traffic stop. It's a collision between legal reality and a deeply entrenched ideological belief system that refuses to acknowledge enforcement authority, even when citations, tow warnings, and lawful orders are...
Anymore, sir? So I'm going to let you...
Are you placing me under arrest?
No, I'm going to let you grab your things.
Then
once you grab your things, you can get out of the vehicle and you'll be on your way. Here's your citation.
I'll take that.
Okay, great.
But you're not taking my truck.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Okay, well, we will see about that, sir. Go ahead and grab your belongings, sir.
You can't take it.
Well, I'm going to wait for the tow to get here and then it will be taken, yes.
Yeah, and I'll go with it.
No, I don't think that they do that.
When I'm sitting in here, yeah.
No,
they can't take my property. I didn't do any. I don't have to do this. No.
You do, sir.
It's no. I don't. I'm not driving for my job. I'm not for hire. It's my God-given right to travel.
No, it isn't.
It's in the Fourth Amendment.
No.
Study your amendments. Yes. You're stepping out of a line.
Okay.
This is my right.
All right. Well, you're not.
Where the encounter shifts from administrative to adversarial. The officer is doing something extremely standard, issuing a citation, explaining court dates, and then addressing the immediate legal issue: no insurance. That alone is enough under most traffic codes to justify towing a vehicle. But notice the reaction. There's no negotiation, no clarification, just immediate denial and emotional resistance. No, it's not. That repeated rejection is a hallmark of these interactions. The subject isn't engaging with the law as applied, they're rejecting the authority entirely. And this is where reality becomes unavoidable. Once insurance and registration violations are confirmed, law enforcement has limited discretion. The tow isn't a punishment, it's a procedural consequence. But from the driver's perspective, this is treated like an attack on personal sovereignty, which is why the conflict escalates.
My right to travel. I don't need insurance. I can
Yes, you
travel on the public highways.
It's a privilege to drive, sir.
No, it is
Right.
not a privilege.
Yes, it is.
No, it is not.
Okay. Do you have any other belongings that you need to take with you, sir?
Yeah, all the tools in the back.
Well, do you want to call somebody so you can get somebody down here to pick those up for you? That way you're not just sitting on the side of the road with them?
You're not taking my truck.
Okay, we're past that, sir, and yes, I
No,
am.
you're not.
So I'm trying to
No.
provide some options for you to try to work with you a little bit. Other than that, if you don't, then they're just going to go with the tow. I don't care. I'm trying to help you out by letting you make arrangements to get your things out of your vehicle.
You can't take my truck.
Yes, we can.
No, you can't.
Okay, well, like I said, sir.
You'd be stealing my property. You want to steal my property? I'll take you to court.
Okay, you can take me to court. That's what there's.
We hit what I'd like to call the argument clinic loop. The officer is explaining procedures, giving options, and trying to maintain control of the stop. But the responses are pure contradiction cycling. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. You can't. I can. The key phrase here is right to travel. It's being used as a legal override button, as if invoking it cancels out licensing laws, insurance requirements, and lawful traffic enforcement. But in real-world jurisprudence, that argument simply does not hold. What makes this segment so important is not just the disagreement. It's the complete inability to accept any authority outside personal interpretation. That's why every instruction, step out of the vehicle, shut the car off, turns into a philosophical debate instead of compliance. And that's where the situation starts heading toward arrest-level escalation.
7:15 to 5 go on scene.
I don't even have anybody to call.
Okay. Do you just not have any numbers, or do you just not have anyone, period?
Nobody lives in Bandon.
All right, Miss Brand, do you want to grab anything? Your cell phone? You have anything in there that you can?
I'm
you
not
wanna
getting
carry?
out.
Yes, you are, sir.
No, I'm not.
Sir, step out of the vehicle now.
No.
Step out of the
No.
vehicle.
Hey,
Step out of the vehicle.
you can't
Sir,
take me
step
out
out
of my
of the vehicle
property.
now.
Why are you
Step
pulling
out of the
on?
vehicle now.
You can't pull on me.
Yes, I can.
Don't.
Sir, step
No.
out of the vehicle now.
No,
Yes.
you can't do this.
Sir, get out of this vehicle now.
No,
Get out of this vehicle.
quit pulling on me.
Then get out on your own approach
You're
or
being
your court.
filmed.
I don't care, sir. So are you.
I didn't
get
do
out
nothing
of
wrong.
the vehicle now.
You guys are being
right.
violent. You
Okay.
want to be violent?
You're under arrest, sir, for interfering. Get
You
out of the
can't
vehicle
arrest
now.
me.
Yes, I can. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back now. Turn around.
Don't arrest me.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands together.
You don't have no right to arrest me.
Yes, sir, I do.
No,
You're
you don't.
interfering with my investigation. I told you multiple times to get out of the vehicle. You would not do so.
You give me my phone.
I can grab it for you, sir. Just a second. Okay, walk back here. Put the phone right here.